What was new in July 2026? The new Wind Rose Load Wizard allows you to save separate wind profiles for different wind directions. Wind Profile zu hinterlegen. After selecting the Wind Rose in the Wind Simulation Wizard, load cases are automatically generated based on different elevation profiles and wind velocities. An additional check has been introduced for trapezoidal sheeting cross-sections, which allows you to consider symmetrical boundary conditions at both free edges. For continuous plates, this leads to more realistic results. For surface contacts, the surface-on-surface type is now available. This allows you to model contact points between overlapping surfaces that lie in the same planar configuration in the model. First, select all the surfaces involved, and then use surface releases to control the desired contact conditions. Another new feature in the program is the graphical display of cross-section classes for steel and aluminum cross-sections. In the navigator, you can then specify how the display should appear. Using an optimized interface, deformed FE meshes and surface results in the form of isolines or isobands can be exported to DXF format. These shapes and results can then be opened directly in CAD applications such as AutoCAD and easily edited there. Find out on the Dlubal extranet what other program features are planned or have already been implemented.
Enjoy structural analysis.